Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Spela Hernandez and I'm a licensed esthetician and a holistic skincare developer. We are going to be addressing the topic of how to best apply the serums. So many times when we use multiple serums, clients ask, how do I apply it? What is the order? What is a general understanding of serums? So usually esthetician will advise you how to best apply the serums. So I always say, think of what you're targeting first. So if you need to use a serum that is targeting your issues, the esthetician will describe to you what you should use first. Some serums are more potent than others. So sometimes we are going to apply a layer of a buffer before we do the actual serum, just to dilute the serum a little bit so the skin doesn't get overstimulated. So the best example would be my epidermal and stem cell serum. So we would always use the epidermal serum first and stem cell serum on top. The reason why we would do that is because this one is water-based and it will kind of just absorb into the skin and it will feel like there is not much there, and then you're going to apply the stem cell on top of it. So this combination works really well for most of the people. However, sometimes there is a situation that I advise my clients to apply stem cell first and epidermal on top of stem cell. The reason why we do that is because some clients' skin gets overstimulated. This is a very great serum to detoxify your skin, and it might be a little bit too much. So you have to buffer the skin with this first and you apply this second. Some cases, what we do, we also cocktail both of those together. So what you do is you take a dropper of the stem cell and a pump of the epidermal serum. You can cocktail it together and apply it on the skin. Do that only if you're advised. If not, always first epidermal, then stem cell, unless you are advised with the stem cell first and then epidermal. And this is the secret about customized skincare, because everybody is different. You might be using the same products as somebody else, but maybe you're doing a different combination, because it does make a difference. But in general, we would apply all the nourishing serums first. And for the daytime, our last serum would always be the Complex C. Complex C is a vitamin C serum that has some glutathione and gold in it, but the reason why we put vitamin C serum at the end of all the serums is because it works as an umbrella to protect us from free radicals. So you don't want to put it before any other serums. You want to put it at the end of your serums. If that is your only serum, then you apply it after toner, following with moisturizer. But if you have multiple serums, if you are my customer, you probably have multiple serums, because serums are the food for your skin, would be the last on your serum list. Then would be your moisturizer, and then would be your SPF. So it's very important that you always wash, tone, serums, moisturizer, SPF. That's the day routine. At night, we have the same kind of situation. Some clients are using antioxidant line diffusing serum only as their night serum. Some clients are using also the stem cell serum with the antioxidant line diffusing serum at night. So if we are new to using this, we would first start with a layer of stem cell, following with the antioxidant line diffusing, just to make our skin get used to it, because it's a different potency. This is always the one that will help you heal no matter what's happening. But when we are doing the treatment serums, which both of them are treatment serums, but vitamin A is a boost of cell turnover serum, so it can be overstimulating. So you would do a buffer of this, following with this. If at some point you don't need to buffer it, you just put antioxidant line diffusing as a first serum. And if you need extra hydration, you would put stem cell on top of it. So you kind of have to play, or you need to follow the instructions from your esthetician. My clients know exactly how to use it. Sometimes we switch it depending on what the situation is. One thing that you always need to remember is, do not use multiple acids on the same setting. So what would that mean? You would not use Mandelic 5 serum together with antioxidant line diffusing serum. Those two are never applied together. You either use this one or this one at night. You don't put both of them. If you're the client that has both of them, you would alternate one night this one this one, never together. The same goes with glycolics, lactics, mandelic acids, all of those. You need to make sure you only have one acid per night, not two. It's too much. And it defeats the purpose because they have different roles in what they're doing for us. So a general rule would be the thinnest to the thickest, but that doesn't always apply. We also need to make sure that the skin is ready to be stimulated. So sometimes we have to dilute it with more calming serums, such as we always use stem cell as the buffer if we need to. The best advice I can give is how to best layer the serums is to follow the instructions from your esthetician. That will be your best bet. But if you need the general understanding, would be the thinnest to the thickest. Vitamin C, it's always the last in the daytime routine. And at night, don't mix different acids together. It's only one per night. And then if you need to apply other serums, you are advised to apply other serums, then you do that as well, but just make sure it's not multiple acids on the same night. Skin does work best when you feed it with different serums. So serums are very important. They're our nutrients for the skin. Moisturizers are occlusants, so they just seal in, protect the skin. So be very smart, use good serums, invest in your skincare. Your skin is your largest organ. It's always exposed, so you have to make sure you use quality performance products. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when the new video is released.